guys, good morning. This is Lax from North Phoenix. Welcome to my backyard art shed. So today's topic is about growing sugarcane in your yard. Right, so for a moment, if we are not going to refer these sugarcane with respect to the geographical locations, say for example like Hawaiian sugarcane, Mexican sugarcane, or say Vietnamese sugarcane or Indian sugarcane, whatnot. But the common way to refer these sugar canes are with respect to the color. I bet you guys will agree to that. So few colors that we are aware of is green, then purple, then black, or the red, whatever it is actually. So in my yard, I have two varieties of sugar cane. The one is the green, what you see here, and the other one is purple or violet, but it looks like a green. Sometimes it acts weird. As it grows, it becomes purple or violet. So how hard it is to grow the sugar cane in the desert or any other weather. So my experience in the last 2 years, growing sugarcane in the desert is really easy. It's not a big deal. It's not a rocket science. All that you need is a couple of cuttings, or you buy it in the pot. That's more than enough for that to grow. And the care, when it comes to the care, two things I want to refer. The one is watering. It does not take too much of water. That's a beauty. See, at the most, see here I have like close to like 30 plus sugar canes. It takes not more than like 10 to 15 gallons per week, even during the summer. Okay, and the second thing is the maintenance is about how do you remove the dry leaves often. So I do bi-weekly. I ensure I do bi-weekly so that it does not become too dense. When I walk around, I don't want those leaves, sharp leaves, to tear my skin. So not only that, the main reason is we want the energy to be passed for the growth, not just for the dried leaves. Okay, so it's always good to remove those dried leaves. So one thing I want to mention here, when you remove the leaves, better wear some full hand shirts or t-shirts. That would help you to avoid those scratches in your skin, because it's going to burn for a while. We don't want that. Okay, so easy maintenance, easy care, less water. Then what else you need? And depends on the variety that you buy, where it is coming from. I think the taste varies. See, in my yard, the green one is super sweet, always sweeter. The purple one, supposed to be purple one, less sweet. But again, one or two sugar canes are really sweeter, even in this. The other thing about sugarcane is it gives it aesthetic look. If you look at here, I placed the pond next to the sugarcane. Let me put it in this way. So what happens, the look and feel of my not only yard, and it gives an elevated look for my pond as well. And also when I build this arbor, it gives a completely a different look. Look at that. I call this arbor as arbor with natural charm. So I run these sugar canes in between the rafters. That gives a different look. So overall, adding sugar cane is going to give an aesthetic look, and of course easy to grow in the desert, and obviously in different weathers. The better climates like California, Florida, or any other tropical locations, it's going to be much easier. So if you find a sugar cane anywhere, if you have some friends who is offering you cuttings, just go for it, get it, and you can straight put it in the ground. It's going to grow. If you feel like you want to grow in the pot first, still it's going to work. Thank you.